We're going to solve and create fraction word problems including addition, subtraction, and multiplication. 2 cups is equal to how many pints? 2 cups is equal to 1 pint. How about 4 cups is equal to how many pints? 6 cups is equal to how many pints? 20 cups is equal to how many pints? 12 inches is equal to how many feet? 2 feet is equal to how many inches? How about 48 inches is equal to how many feet? 3 feet is equal to how many yards? 6 feet is equal to how many yards? 3 yards is equal to how many feet? 24 feet. Make sure you're not switching these around. Make sure you're following me. 24 feet is equal to how many yards? 4 quarts is equal to how many gallons? 8 quarts is equal to how many gallons? 3 gallons is equal to how many quarts? Oh, that's QT. 12 quarts. Now let's make that 16. Is equal to how many gallons? And 36 quarts is equal to how many gallons? One half times 8 is equal to times all over 2. Well, it should have been 1 times 8. Now, can we simplify this right now? Can you find common factors? Good. 8's factors are 2 and 4, so a common factor we can find is 2. So our answer is going to be equal to 4. How about 12 times 1/4? 12 times 3/4. 2/3 times 15. And 18 times 5/6. Find the common factors and then divide by that common factor and then solve it. If you haven't finished the problems on the page before, go ahead and go back and finish those. Okay? So if this whole thing I were to say is 8 plus 3, and this section right here I were to say is unknown, see if you can solve that. Okay, you have 8 plus 3, and then you're dividing that into 3 sections. So that's going to be 11/3, and you're dividing that into 3 sections, so that's going to be 3 1/3. Okay. Well, the same thing. I say this section right here is 1/2 plus 1/4. How can I find the answer for that? Well, you have 1/2 plus 1/4. When you add those together, then you need to multiply those by 3. Can you do that? Well, certainly you can. Before you add them up, you have to find a common multiple. So you're going to take this one and you're going to make that to 2/4 plus 1/4. And that's going to be 3/4 times 3. That's going to be 9/4. And that's going to be equal to 1/4. When you're looking at the word problems today, I want you to think, can you draw something? What can you draw? And what conclusion can you make from the drawing? So that's the first thing I want you to do. And the second thing I want you to do is to calculate and solve, calculate to solve and write a statement. And then I want you to assess the solution for reasonableness. Does it make sense? Can that even be an answer that you come up with? Kim and Courtney share a box, a 16-ounce box of cereal. By the end of the week, Kim has eaten 3/8 of the box. Courtney has eaten 1/4 of the box. What fraction is left? So, number one, what do you need to do? We need to think about, can we draw something? What can you draw? What conclusion can you make from the drawing? So I know I can draw a bar graph. We know that the total is how much? 16. How much did they eat so far? That's interesting. I know that it's 3/8 and 1/4. What I'm wondering, what this question is asking, is how much is left. So how can I find out how much cereal they ate? Well, you're going to have to do the math for each one. So you're going to have to do, well, Courtney did 3/8 times 16. Solve that, and you're going to have to say Courtney is 1/4 times 16. Solve this problem. See how you do. Push pause. You should have gotten that they ate 10 ounces. How much did they have left? They had 6 ounces left, because 16 minus 10 is equal to 6. And the question is, how much is 16 in a fraction? How much is left? Well, 16 over 6, and we can reduce that down by 2. We can do it this way. 3/8. Good luck today.